Hi my lovely friends, you're welcome back to my channel. So I'll be showing you how I make this super soft and tasty homemade yogurt cake. Believe it or not, homemade cake is the best. Yes. So if you want to see how I make this cake, please keep on watching. You're welcome to Benny's kitchen. Here I have my vanilla Greek yogurt, plain flour, vanilla essence, eggs, butter, sugar and baking powder. I'll be adding the butter into my mixing bowl and I'll be whisking that till it's light and fluffy. You can as well use plain Greek yogurt for this recipe and add any flavor of your choice, but for me, I'll be using vanilla flavored Greek yogurt. Now the butter is light, we can now introduce the sugar and we are going to mix this, continue whipping this until it's light and fluffy. Now you can see the difference. It's now fluffy and it's very light now. Now you can introduce the eggs and I'll be adding that one at a time until I finish adding them in. Just try this, and if you do, please don't forget to leave your comment and tell me the outcome. Yeah, I'll really appreciate it. This is so easy and quick to make. You can do this in less than 15 minutes. We'll be adding the vanilla flavor now. We'll be adding the yogurt now and we'll continue whisking till it's properly combined. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share with friends, and please do not forget to subscribe so we can grow this family together. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. And you can also drop your comments. Now, I'll be adding the flour and the baking powder. Then I'll gently fold in. Just fold this in gently, just mix. Here's my loaf pan. I'll be greasing it with some butter, after which I'll lightly dust it with flour. And I'll be transferring the batter into my already greased loaf pan. And I'll just try to smoothen the top. And I'll be transferring this into my preheated oven. And I'll be baking for like 40 minutes. With these ingredients, if you don't want it this much, you can just make half of this, like just share the ingredients into two. And yeah, one loaf pan will be enough. But I made this much because I love it, and same as my daughter, she loves it so much. Here comes our lovely yogurt cake. So yummy and tasty, so soft. Please try this. When you try this recipe, let me know how it came out. This is so yummy. When I mean yummy, it's so tasty, soft, and oh my god, I don't know how to describe it. Just try this recipe and you know what I'm talking about. You can't get this in any shop. Oh, let me just tell you now. Just make this cake. Yes. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.